Now he's doing circles around JetBlue.
Okay, how often do you get any serious practice in? Today, you guys going to see our monthly motor workout that we do when we're back in California. We do this once a month, and this have nothing to do with our course. It's just that we come out here and we kind of get our exercise on. That's why we don't really fear much when we're riding on the street. I mean, when we come up on something, we know what to do because we practice. Now, a couple of people ask, how often do we practice? At least once a week, but we don't do this entire course. Well, it's not the entire course. It's just basically 3 patterns that we use for our monthly workout. And we got it set at civilian standards, except the sharp right and left turns. We got that at 6 and 6. We always do that 6 and 6. So we're gonna walk you through it right quick. Ready? And then we're gonna get on the bike and we're gonna ride it. Right here we just have
Our cone weave.
right here, that's our cone weave, and we got it set up at civilian specs, which is 15 feet. Normally I try to do it at 12 feet, but when we both doing our power workout, we push ourselves, try to go through it as fast as possible. And if we knock any cones down, we don't pick them up. We just keep going. There's a football team out here about to practice, so we didn't set. Well, actually, we normally have a figure 8 out there, but we're not doing a figure 8 today because we can do it here. We start off with the cone weave, and then we get to this final cone. Depending on which side we get, we determine which way we're gonna go. Whether we're gonna go
right to the sharp right, left turn.
Yep.
Or you're gonna go right. It's a dead end. So what you have to do? Make that U-turn.
Yeah, so we finish our cone weave and we go here. We go down here, make the U-turn. Then once we make the U-turn, we got to go back and do the right or left, depending on which way we turn first.
Right.
And then complete the cone weave, and that's it. And of course, we normally put a brake and escape, emergency braking out here also. But emergency braking, we kind of practice that once a week anyway, so we don't do that in our monthly power workout. So we're gonna get it going. We got a 360 camera, and we're just gonna roll it. All right.
Let's go.
Okay, Kate gonna do her run on this. And when she do the cone weave, like we said earlier, what is gonna determine direction that she go, whether she go this direction or that direction, it's gonna be the last cone. If she go on the outside of it, then she go that direction. If she go on this side of it, then she go that direction. And we do this all day. I gotta back up because I'm recording her. And here she coming up first run, nice and smooth. Perfect. So she got to go that way. No, you just should have cut it short. You should have turned it short. Now she got to have to go, forced to go this way because of that cone. She did a U-turn on our YouTube channel. Somebody said he wanted to see her make U-turn, so there you go. She doing her U-turn. And here, this is 6 and a 6. We always do 6 and a 6 because I think we have the tightest turn, right and left turns that I've seen anybody do. And the only reason we do 6 feet into 6 feet because the average lane, well, all the lanes here in the United States are 12 feet. So if you go 6 and a 6, make it a turn like this, there's no way you should go 12 feet and going into the opposite lane. So when she complete this, she got to do a U-turn again. Quick head turn, perfect. Leading the bike a little bit, looking where she want to go. Then she got to come back around and then do the cone weave, and that completes the course. Well, we're gonna be out all day, so that don't mean we just do 1 or 2 runs. Nice and smooth. Let up off that brake. Don't worry about it. Complete it. She listened to me in the helmet. I said let up off that brakes, and then that kind of distracted her. But that's her run. I'm gonna go down and get and do me a run so you can see mine right quick. And then we do this all day, until we get tired. Then we go grab us something to eat after.
Rich is gonna do his run through the cone weave first. And where he ended at this last cone weave, decide which way he's gonna go. So he's going right, sharp right turn first. And he's gonna turn around and come back through it. Sharp left turn. Now he's gonna go down. He's gonna do the right U-turn. Oh, he did the opposite from what I've done. He's turning through the cone weave still. No brakes. Smooth, smooth. Now he's gonna add the brakes to the cone weave. He back. He's gonna U-turn. And then sharp right turn. Making a U-turn. Coming back to do the sharp left turn. Check out his road position. He's all the way on the outside. Now he's going to do the U-turn to the left. And now he's doing the cone weave again with brakes.
All right, guys, what we about to do now is show you how we do it when we run into it at the same time. So whichever way cake start off, or whichever way I start off, I gotta go the opposite way on a cone. That way we won't run into each other and we can run this course at the same time. Well, practically at the same time. You ready? Go ahead. So whichever side of the cone she start off on, I go on the opposite side. And that way we could do the course at the same time without running into each other.
Now he's doing circles around jet blue.